Sesame Street Alphabet Kitchen. Yeah. Okay, who do you want to make cookies with? Hey, little chef. You help me make some more delicious word cookies? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's get started. Okay, watch this. B. G. Go for it. Bug. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This me favorite part. Mix letters and make cookie. To mix, move your finger in circles on bowl. Easy does it. Magnifique. It cookie in shape of bug. Okay, me start word. B. G. Wow, you. Bag. Oh, please, oh, me no can wait. Magnifique. It cookie in shape of bag. Oh yeah, me go first. B. T. Wow, you. Bit. That's it. It's working. It work. It bit. Hey, who bit the cookie? Was it you? You bit cookie? Okay, how about this? B. T. Wow, you. Bat. Yeah, that's it. Magnifique. It cookie in shape of bat. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Cookies look so yummy. Me no can wait to taste. We work hard and now reward. We have cookies for every word. Why? Why? Well, you know, sharing is caring. What you doing? Bat. Oh, for me? Oh, boy. Okay. Nom. Yeah, little taste, please. Bag. Oh, for me? Oh, boy. Okay. Nom. Why? Yeah, little taste, please. Bug. Nom. Wow, you such a good sharer, little chef. How about we make more cookies? Oh yeah, me go first. D. G. You turn. Dog. Come to cookie. Magnifique. It dog. This dough. Hear me go. D. G. You turn. Dig. Oh, me no can wait. It work. It dig. Me dig a hole to hide cookie treasure. This dough. Hear me go. L. G. Wow, you. Leg. Oh, me no can wait. Holy cannoli! It cookie that look like leg. This dough. Hear me go. L. G. Now you. Log. Oh, me no can wait. It beautiful. It cookie in shape of log. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Cookies look so yummy. Me no can wait to taste. Oh boy, delicious word cookies ready to eat. Dig. Oh, for me? Oh boy, okay. Nom. What you doing? What you doing? Why? Leg. Nom. Nom. Well, you know, sharing is caring. Well, you know, sharing is caring. Okay, me no can watch. Log. Nom. Wow, you such a good sharer, little chef. How about we make more cookies? This time, me gonna try this. P. N. Wow, you. Pan. Oh please, that's terrific mixing. Kawabunga! It cookie in shape of pan. This time, me gonna try this. P. N. U-turn. Pen. Yeah, that's it. Holy cannoli! It pen. Okay, me start word. J. G. Go for it. Jog. Oh, that smells delicious. Magnifique. It jog. That cookie running slowly. This dough. Here me go. J. G. U-turn. Jag. That's it. It's working. It's cookie miracle. It jag. We work hard and now reward. We have cookies for every word. You can eat cookies yourself by tapping on it. But why you want to do that? Yeah. Jag. This like dream. Nom. Well, you know, sharing is caring. Pan. This like dream. Nom. Okay, me no can watch. Pen. Nom. Wow, you such a good sharer, little chef. How about we make more cookies? Okay, how about this? M. N. Wow, you. Man. Yeah, that's it. Magnifique. It cookie that look like man. Oh yeah, me go first. M. N. Now add you letter. Men. Oh, that smells delicious. Kawabunga! It men. This time, me gonna try this. F. N. U-turn. Oh, Fun! That's it! It's working! It's beautiful! It's fun! We have so much fun making cookies! Okay, watch this. F. N. Now add your letter. Fan. That's terrific mixing. Cowabunga! It's cookie in shape of fan. That's okay. Me see what you did there. Yeah, you share cookies. That's terrific. Me cool with that. There's no problem. Some cookies for you, some cookies for me, some more cookies for me. Me got more cookies, some cookies for me. Okay, let's just make more cookies.